Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today I created this makeup look which is perfect for fall. I used more darker, reddish, brick-like tones and also warm tones for this makeup. So let's start. Okay, so I already did my skincare, so I'll just apply sunscreen. I used this sunscreen before makeup. It works perfect under makeup. It's one of my favorite sunscreens. It's so lightweight and has no white cast. Okay, so now I wait approximately 5 minutes for it to absorb into my skin before I actually start doing my makeup. So now I start doing my base and I start with foundation. I use a cushion foundation. I use the Partner Menu Serum Cushion in 23 Nude Sand. This cushion contains Centella asiatica extract, so it's really great for sensitive skin. It's really hydrating. It feels like second skin. It's actually very buildable and it gives your skin such a beautiful radiant finish. Also, this is very great if you have acne prone skin because of its ingredients. Next, I apply a lip plumper. I use this one by Kiko. It's in the shade Zero Frozen Berry. Next, I'll be using concealer. I used the CATKIN Flawless Eraser Concealer in C02 Cotton. This concealer is very lightweight. I'd say it's medium coverage, but it's very buildable. I just blend it in with a cushion sponge. Also a bit on my eyelids to even out my skin color. Next, I'll set my base makeup with a setting powder, and I use the Sheglam Blur in a Bottle Loose Setting Powder in Banana. Use a very light amount for my under eyes, so it won't look cakey. And then I just do my T-zone in areas where creasing appears, like my smile lines, and where I don't want that much shine. Next, I do my nose contour. I use this one by Misha. It's the Cotton Contour in Smoked Hazel. Just draw a line here, here, so here, but I don't connect it fully. Also here, here. Then I just blend it in. And for highlight, I often use a matte white eyeshadow shade. I use this one by Kiko. Just apply a bit on the tip of my nose and also nose bridge. Now I'll do my eyeshadow. I used this one by Sheglam. I think for this season it's very suitable. It has these shades. It's the Glazed Truffle Please 8 Pan Palette. I start to use this light base color. Just apply it lightly on my eyelids. Next, I go in this light brown shade and lightly go over all my eyelids again and blend it a bit upwards. And I go in this reddish brick shade and just apply it here on my outer corners and blend it in a bit. Now I go in the darkest shades, lightly apply it. My eyelids. Just to have this darker contrast. And I use the same brush. I go in the brick shade again. Just go over the dark shade. It's a bit more reddish. Now I blend it in a bit upwards, but not too much. Just to have this clean gradient. Then I go in the dark shade again. Just draw a line in my lower lashes. Also blend it in here toward my inner corners. Next I go in this glitter shimmer shade. Just apply it a bit here on the center of my eyelids. Not too much, just dab it a bit on. And now it looks like this. Next for eyeliner, I use this one by Essence. It's the liquid ink eyeliner. Next I do my lashes. I use the Essence Call Me Queen mascara. And I just apply one coat. Also on my lower lashes. Also this side. Next will be my eyebrows. I use the clear gel by Essence. It's their new brow lift and freeze glue. Just go through my eyebrows and comb them upwards. Or I go along like this. Now moving on to blush, I use this red colored blush by Kiko. It's the Smart Color Blush in 08. Just go in slightly because it's very pigmented. This blush is very pigmented, but this red shade is very suitable for fall. For highlighter, I use this one by Essence. It's their limited edition Get the Glaze Baked Highlighter. Use a bit here. Also again on my nose tip. Also on my brow bone. In the inner corner. Now I apply eyelash glue. I use this one by Sheglam. While the glue is drying, I move on to my lips. I use this brown lip liner by Essence. I just start to line my lips. And for my lips, I use a shade like this. It looks like this. The name of this lipstick, it's the Dreamworld lipstick in B08 Finding by CATKIN. Now for my lashes, I used these lashes. I use a stem tweezer, works great for lashes. I just try to apply them very close to my actual lashes. They look like this. And lastly, I use a fixing spray. I use this one by Catrice. This one is transfer proof and waterproof, and it says it has an 8-hour long lasting effect. Okay, so this is the finished look. What do you think about this? This is one of my favorite looks for fall. If you liked it, like this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this.